Hi guys, this is SIG QG35 Security. Today I will show you how to install Windows 8.1 VHD on Windows 10 hard disk. Explain. To install Windows 8.1 VHD x64 on Windows 10 8.1 you need to use special tools on AIOBOOT Creator. You need Windows ISO file and install .vim or ESD file step by step to complete it. Install Windows 8.1 VHD. First open AIO Creator. Click Yes. Go to Part IMG and VHD. Click Type and choose VHD. Click Input File. Select the sources file. Select install.vim and click Open. Click OK. Click Output File. To save Windows VHD file, you should save it on disk, create file and type Win 8.1, select File and click Save. Click Create to start extract the Windows files on VHD. It will take 20 or 40 minutes to complete the copy and extract files on VHD file. After done with extract Windows 8.1 files on VHD, click OK. Go to Main. Click Tools. Open Bootice. Go to BCD. Click Easy Mode. To add Windows 8.1 VHD file, you should go to the disk so you can follow the source of boot file. Click Add. Choose New VHD boot entry. Click Boot Disk and select HD0, VMware Virtual S Disk 120 GB C.E. Click Partition and select MBR4, NTFS 40 GB E.IO boot. Rename the boot file, boot, VHD to WIN 8.1, Windows 8.1 Single Language, VHD. For following the source boot file, rename OS title boot from VHD to Windows 8.1 Single Language. Click Save Current System. Click OK. Click up to second boot Windows 8.1. Then click Save Global Settings. Click OK. Close BCD. Close Bootice. Close AIO boot. Now let's reboot Windows 10 to switch Windows 8.1. Select second boot Windows 8.1 Single Language. The setup files are all ready to getting ready for setting Windows 8.1, then will be reboot automatic for configuration the settings on setup. Select time zone and choose any time from your country. Click Next. Click Skip Product Key. Click I accept for license terms. Type on PC name Win 8. Choose any color background. Click Next. Click Customize. Click No for networks in public places to skip the internet. To change the settings, privacy for security. Disable Windows Update PC and apps. Disable Active Track Windows user to keep your privacy safe from Microsoft location activity users and updates from Microsoft. Click Next. Switch off all kind of setting because it's no longer supported by Microsoft Security. Then click Next. Click Create a local account. Type new username Win 8.1. Type your password. Type password hint. Click Finish to complete it all, finalizing your settings and create new user. It's finally Windows 8.1 single language is now ready to use. Go to Start and right-click on My PC, select Properties. Windows 8.1 is not activated. Need product key for activated Windows 8.1. Go to Explorer. Go to AIO boot disk. Right-click DLC boot and run as administrator. Click Yes. Go to Microsoft Crack. Run KSM Tools. Choose KMS Auto Lite. To activated Windows 8.1 single language, click 2 times activate Windows. Click Yes to install the GVLK keys on Windows. Now it's start install product key plus activated Windows 8.1. After successful install key activated Windows 8.1. Close all KMS and DLC boot. Go to Properties to check activated Windows 8.1. Now it's already Windows is activated. Enjoy to use Windows 8.1 with free activated key. Hopefully you enjoy the video with the guide. It's now Windows 8.1 VHD on Windows 10.21H2 MBR on disk. Don't forget like, subscribe and share with yours friends. Thank you for watching.